Welcome to our deep dive into Triton Inference Server deployment best practices. Today, you'll learn essential skills to optimize and scale your AI inference tasks efficiently.
In a world where artificial intelligence drives decision-making, the Triton Inference Server stands as a beacon of efficiency for deploying AI models. But why is this important? Well, AI inference is the final step where your models make predictions. It's where the magic happens, and businesses rely on this for timely and accurate decision-making. In this video, we're diving into the best practices for deploying Triton in production environments. You'll discover strategies that minimize downtime and maximize resource utilization, ensuring your AI tasks are reliable and efficient. Let's get started.
Triton Inference Server is a powerful tool that supports multiple model frameworks like TensorFlow, PyTorch, and ONNX, making it incredibly versatile. One of its standout features is dynamic batching, which improves throughput by grouping inference requests. Additionally, Triton allows for concurrent model execution, enabling you to run multiple models simultaneously without sacrificing performance. Version control is seamlessly integrated, allowing you to manage different iterations of your models effortlessly. Moreover, Triton provides comprehensive logging and monitoring, essential for maintaining system health and performance. These capabilities make Triton an indispensable asset for efficient AI deployments. When deploying Triton Inference Server, selecting the right strategy is crucial. It starts with understanding your deployment environment. Are you operating in the cloud or on-premise? Each has its pros and cons. Cloud solutions offer scalability and flexibility but can lead to higher operational costs. On the other hand, on-premise deployments provide control and data security but require significant upfront investment. Consider your scalability needs. How quickly will you need to scale up or down? Also, evaluate cost implications and resource allocation to ensure you are getting the most out of your investment. Choosing the right strategy will set the foundation for successful deployment.
Configuring your model repository is a fundamental step in deploying Triton Inference Server. Begin by organizing your models efficiently. Consider how they will be stored and accessed. Implement version control techniques to manage different iterations and ensure that updates are streamlined. The repository structure should be intuitive, making it easy to locate and deploy models quickly. For larger models, consider partitioning or using external storage solutions to manage space effectively. Automating updates can significantly reduce manual effort, ensuring that every model in production is current and performing optimally. Proper configuration of your model repository leads to smoother and more efficient deployments.
Triton Inference Server allows for concurrent model execution, which is key to leveraging resources efficiently and improving overall throughput. By running multiple models simultaneously, you can avoid bottlenecks that might slow down your system. However, it's crucial to configure concurrency limits appropriately to prevent resource overutilization, which could lead to degraded performance. Balancing workloads becomes essential, ensuring that no single model monopolizes system resources. This setup not only enhances performance but also maximizes the potential of your hardware, leading to faster and more reliable inference outcomes. Version control for models is a best practice that ensures you can track changes effectively and roll back to previous versions if necessary. This capability is crucial for maintaining model integrity and reliability. Implementing a robust version control system also facilitates collaboration among data scientists and developers, as it becomes easier to share and update models across the team. Automating version updates can reduce manual overhead, ensuring that models in production are always up to date. By keeping a detailed history of model changes, you can enhance transparency and accountability within your AI workflows.
Dynamic batching is one of Triton's standout features, allowing you to increase throughput while reducing latency. By batching similar inference requests together, you optimize resource usage and improve performance. It's important to customize the batch size to match your workload, ensuring you're getting the most out of your hardware without overloading it. This approach not only improves efficiency but also allows for smoother scaling, as your system can handle more requests without a significant increase in processing time. Leveraging dynamic batching is a key strategy in achieving efficient and reliable AI inference.
Integrating Triton Inference Server with monitoring tools is essential for maintaining system performance and reliability. Real-time tracking allows you to identify bottlenecks early and take corrective actions before they impact your operations. Monitoring tools like Prometheus can help you keep an eye on resource usage, ensuring that your system is not overburdened. These tools provide valuable insights into your AI inference processes, allowing you to optimize and scale effectively. By continuously monitoring your systems, you can ensure high availability and performance, which are critical for successful AI deployments.
Security and compliance are paramount when deploying AI models with Triton Inference Server. Protecting sensitive data should be a top priority, and adhering to compliance standards such as GDPR or HIPAA is essential. Implement role-based access controls to ensure that only authorized personnel have access to critical systems. Using encryption for data security, both at rest and in transit, can safeguard against unauthorized access. Regular security audits can help identify vulnerabilities and ensure that your systems remain secure. By prioritizing security and compliance, you can protect your business and build trust with your clients. As we wrap up, remember that mastering Triton Inference Server can significantly boost your AI initiatives. By leveraging its capabilities and implementing the best practices we've discussed, you can ensure efficient, reliable, and secure AI deployments. We encourage you to put these strategies into practice and see the improvements for yourself. Don't forget to comment below with your thoughts or questions and share this video with anyone who might find it helpful. Subscribe to our channel for more insights and tutorials on AI and technology. Thank you for watching.